Alright, what's up folks? This is my first video in a couple of days. CRV, it's been a trending coin on Binance. I will post some links in order you guys can read this project. Now, someone had asked me about it. I told them it needed to flip this zone in order to move up to here and just grind up. Now, the conservative entry I explained was that you need to be close above a breakout of this red zone, just go long. So now it's approaching immediate resistance. Everyone is eyeing this level here. It breaks out 4-6, basically in high time frames. It's gone. I really believe this can possibly go up here to $10. There's a lot of hype behind this coin right now. Now the mistake that I made. Let's go to the high time frame. I believe this zone has to be tested. It might come back near $4, possibly working to 3.9, but it has to try to return to confirm that this zone is good to go. But this is right now is trending so much. I don't think the pullback is going to be much. If I would say the pullback, it's kind of tough. I would just, let me see, it's not even oversold yet, but I wouldn't chase right now because it's approaching mini resistance. I can see it being pushed up to $5 before it comes back down. This is a coin I would just wait on, but it's super bullish. This will be a high risk play right now, to be honest. And entering now on the 1 hour, it came down to retest this zone here, which is the one that I was saying that in a high time frame it needs to retest. So it did it already in here. Let's see if it pulled back a little bit on the hourly, back down 4.1 near those levels on the hourly chart. Now I messed this one up. I was charting it for someone. Basically, it failed to clear 4.7, that 3.7. That was the immediate resistance. Once it failed to claim that, I thought it was gonna try to reset back down, possibly down here, especially with how BTC was looking. Now, I made the mistake of sticking to that 4-hour time frame and not going to the 12-hour. On the 12-hour, basically, this green zone is basically a clear breakout of this zone, you go long. This blue dash line zone means that it gets rejected from there. This is the support level that it must hold to invalidate this uptrend. So that's where I messed up. I didn't draw these lines. These is in hindsight. This is more like a learning experience. So basically the green zone is a clear breakout of that. It's grinding up to here and then possibly here. Now, what I messed up again is that it got rejected of 3.7. I thought it was going to try to come back down to these levels, especially the way BTC was behaving. And what I didn't do is I didn't come back and draw the support zone of that rejection, meaning that once it got rejected from here, necessarily didn't mean it was going to reset all the way down. It needed to break this zone here for it to return back to these levels. So that was my mistake. But right now, like I say, this thing could push up to $5 right now. This was the key zone and it needed to break. So this is gonna, I think it's gonna test the top of these wicks right here, around $5 before it retraces down, possibly settles around again 4.1. We can say 4.3. So this is, this is my theory on it. So let's see what happens. Long-term play, if BTC plays out, I believe it's gonna hit $10. There's so much hype behind this coin. They're part of the DeFi lending market. So this is gonna be super bullish.